In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add public holidays in Google Calendar so you can quickly keep track of important dates without manually entering them one by one. This is a simple but super useful feature whether you're managing work schedules, planning time off, or just want your calendar to stay organized throughout the year. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Google Calendar tips and step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want the holidays to appear. Once the calendar loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. This is where all of your calendar preferences are managed. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. That will take you into the full settings page for Google Calendar. On the left-hand panel, find the option called Add Calendar, click it, and then select Browse Calendars of Interest. This section lets you add extra calendars like holidays, sports schedules, and more. Now scroll down until you find Regional Holidays. Under this section, locate your country and check the box next to it. This tells Google Calendar to add the holiday calendar for your region. After that, you'll usually see a drop-down menu where you can choose how the holidays are displayed. You can select public holidays only if you just want the main official holidays, or you can choose all observances if you want to see a more complete list that includes observance days as well. Once you make your selection, Google Calendar will automatically add those holidays to your calendar. You should now see public holidays showing up on the appropriate dates, helping you plan ahead much more easily. And that's it. You've successfully added public holidays in Google Calendar. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in how you manage your schedule. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.